Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow wheatgrass at home for Varamahalakshmi Pooja. First, gather your materials: organic wheat seeds, a shallow tray with drainage, and quality organic potting soil. Growing wheatgrass is a beautiful tradition, symbolizing prosperity and new beginnings for your puja. It's a simple, rewarding process that adds a fresh, vibrant touch to your home and spiritual practice. Now, let's prepare your seeds and soil. Begin by soaking about 1 cup of organic wheat seeds in water for 8 to 12 hours. This step helps activate germination. While your seeds are soaking, prepare a shallow tray. Fill it with approximately 2 inches of organic potting soil, ensuring the tray has good drainage holes to prevent any waterlogging. With your seeds ready, it's time to plant. Drain the soaked wheat seeds and spread them evenly across the prepared soil surface in your tray. There's no need to cover them with extra soil. Lightly mist the seeds with water, ensuring they remain consistently moist but not waterlogged. For the first 2 to 3 days, cover the tray to create a humid environment, which encourages quick germination. Once sprouts appear, remove the cover and place your tray in indirect sunlight. Continue to mist the wheatgrass daily, keeping the soil moist without overwatering. In about 6 to 7 days, your wheatgrass should be ready for harvest, reaching a height of 6 to 7 inches. Simply snip the blades near the base. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.